Today I show you the easiest way to calculate percentages on your iPhone or Android or any calculator app or any physical calculator. I have the iPhone calculator app here. There is this percentage sign, but I don't really use it. The easiest way to calculate percentage is this way. I believe this is the best way, using a calculator. So you have, for example, you have an amount 300 and you want to add to 300 20%. So how you add to 300 20%? It's very easy to add 20% to 300. If you know this formula, you can imagine that 100 is 1. So 1 is, if I multiply 300 by 1, it's going to be still 300. So I multiply 300 by 100%. This is 100% of it. It's going to be the same amount. So if I want to add 20% to 300, I will multiply 300 by 1.2. I say 1.2 because this is 20%, so it's 120%. Equals, so I get 360, and 20% from 300, I put a more simple number here so we can calculate. I'm not good at math. I'm not pretending to be good at math, but I like tricks like this. If I would calculate this, I'm not good at math. Without the calculator, I would say 10% of 300 is 30 times 2, because it's 20%, it's 60. So that's how it works there. So I added 20% to 300. Very easy, multiplying by 1.2. And I could say also I could multiply by 1.1. So that's 10%. That's 330. And I can also deduct 20% from 300 by, you guessed it, removing 20% from 1. So that's going to be 0.9. So I have here 300 multiplied by 0.9. I put 0.9, actually 0.8 for 20%. 0.8. And this is 240. It's 60 less than 300. The same way it was 60 more than 300 before. 0.8, it's minus 20% from 300. And if I want to make 300 multiplied by 0.9, that's minus 10%, 270. Pretty easy. I hope this is really simple for you to understand how easy and how powerful it is to calculate percentages with this, just using multiply by 1 to get the same amount, or by 0.9 to get minus 10%, or by 1.1 to get plus 10%. And I could even do 5%, for example, 300 multiplied by 1.05, that's 5%, 315, that's half of 300, half of 30, which is correct here. And if I want to get only the amount that I want to see, only the percentage, it's also very easy. Multiply by 0.05 for 5%, I get 15. So I remove the 1, I only put the difference there. So I put like this, 300 multiplied by 1.2. It's to get the amount, original amount plus the percentage, or 0.2 to get only the percentage, the difference, the 60. So I have here the 60, this is the 60, the percentage, the difference. And this 60, if I want to, I can subtract 300. This 60, if I want to, I can subtract. If I want to continue, I can subtract this 60 from 300 to get minus 20%, or add it to 300 to get plus 20%. I hope this helps you to get an idea of how to easily calculate percentages to get an amount from a percentage. So you have an amount and you want to get the amount, the 5% of an amount, for example, like this. Thanks for watching.